Mom sent me Amazon package. I already peeked. Mom and Dad have not lived in a camper or an RV, but they've lived in a camper for not full time, but months at a time. They have a big RV. So this is their experience. Mom went on Amazon, bought me some stuff that she thinks would be helpful to us. Gift receipts. All right, so the first thing, I'm gonna need glasses. And by the way, we're in the camper right now, and it's 96 degrees outside. No AC on. We've got a couple of fans going. We'll put a link to those in the description. Those have been pretty nice. So stainless steel tablecloth clips. I guess we can put a tablecloth on here. Just see how that works out. Feels like that might be in the way, but I guess it depends on how you use them. On a thinner table, it might hit you. Your knees might hit on it. So we'll see. If they're useful, we'll make another video for them. You know what these are, Shelby?
No, I can't see.
I'm pretty sure.
Is it those rainbow fire
Yeah,
things?
I think it is. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, the kids are gonna love that.
So the kids love this. These are color your fire magical flames. Simply toss pouch into fire and creates vibrant, colorful flames. We've tried, I don't know, probably not this brand, but we had, what was it, last year?
Yeah.
And that was pretty neat. I was surprised at how long they burned for.
Yeah, very vibrant.
The kids were really fascinated with it. So again, I can vouch for these. I'll put the link in the description. All right, we have a DIY magnetic hooks.
Doesn't want to focus. There we go.
All right, you got it?
Yep.
All right, pack of 6 DIY magnetic hooks. That sounds like that could be pretty useful in a camper. They're small. Ooh, they're pretty strong. All right, so it comes with 6 of these guys. And they're basically just a little screw-in thing with a rare earth magnet inside it. And then these little hooks. It's cheaper to ship them if they don't have to assemble them. Cheaper to produce them if they don't have to assemble them. Okay, so let's try. We got a fridge here. I can hang something. I probably. But more importantly, maybe, I don't know what it could attach to on the ceiling, but something upright that's probably going to be much more sturdy to hold something. So, all right, we'll find a use for those, and if they are useful, we'll make a link in the description. All right, this is pretty straightforward. The 140 pieces assorted car fuse kit. Actually really helpful.
Yeah.
I don't know that the truck we just bought has a fuse kit in it, and so that would be good to have in the vehicles we're driving most, but maybe just keep it in the camper because we have fuses down there. Okay. All right, what is this? Okay, this goes with this. We have a picnic table cover, 72-inch blue-green. I'm not going to probably open this all the way. It looks like it's in a pouch. A plastic bag and a plastic bag. So this is a vacuum seal. I'm going to leave that vacuum seal for now. So, but we'll take a look at this, and if this is great, I'll do a video on this. And yeah. All right. Well, that's thanks, Mom. I think that we will find uses for all these things, but we'll find out.